Welcome to The Foundry by Forge College. Today, we are unpacking agent architectures and on-chain integration. In our last session, we looked at how autonomous DeFi agents require strict safety guardrails so they don't accidentally make catastrophic mistakes with real assets. But if an agent reads blockchain data, makes a choice, and fires off a transaction all in one messy, tangled knot of code, those guardrails become useless. To survive on Solana, an AI agent cannot operate like a chaotic one-man band. It needs the strict, separated discipline of a symphony orchestra led by a highly precise conductor. Without separating out these distinct operational tasks, a single logic error could drain an entire wallet. Proper architecture is quite literally a matter of survival. Look at this architecture map. Think of it as an orchestra pit divided into three specific sections: observe, decide, and act. First up, we have the observe stage, our string section. This is where the agent gathers the musical score. It reads the current on-chain state, parses program data, and listens to live WebSockets to understand exactly what is happening right now. And let me tell you, agents can be absolute divas about their data freshness. An arbitrage bot might throw a tantrum if its market data is 500 milliseconds old, while a governance bot is perfectly happy waiting around for a few seconds to see how a vote lands. Next, we move to the decide stage, the woodwinds. This is the brain of the operation. It runs the AI models and evaluates that incoming data against those critical safety guardrails we built earlier. By keeping this decision phase totally isolated, we achieve what engineers call separation of concerns. We can simulate and audit the agent's planned actions in a safe, phantom environment without risking any actual funds. Finally, we reach the act stage, the brass section. This is where that approved, simulated plan becomes a real transaction. The agent orders its instructions perfectly, grabs a fresh block hash to prove it is acting on current time, and prepares to execute. Separating observation from action makes the entire agent fully auditable. You create distinct, totally safe spaces to enforce your strict rules before a transaction ever gets near the actual blockchain. This branching flowchart shows what happens next. An orchestra still needs someone to finish the performance. In the act stage, signing the transaction falls to wallet interaction patterns. Think of these as different guest conductors. Scenario A is local custody. The agent holds its own private keys right in its environment. It is blazing fast, which is great for high-frequency arbitrage, but it is terrifyingly risky if a hacker ever compromises the agent server. Scenario B takes a different route, with delegated or multisig signing. Here, the agent has to ask a smart contract or a multisig service for permission before it can actually move assets. Yes, asking for permission adds latency, but for high-impact actions like moving massive treasury funds, financial safety heavily outweighs the need for speed. Then we have Scenario C, the human in the loop. The agent plans everything perfectly, but then it stops. A human operator has to physically sign off using an external hardware wallet. You gain maximum oversight, but you sacrifice throughput. As you explore more Forge College courses and programs, you'll see developers mixing and matching these wallet patterns to fit an application's unique risk profile. Ultimately, choosing the right guest conductor is always a direct architectural trade-off between processing latency, system security, and full auditability. When you zoom out, you see how these three isolated stages, observe, decide, and act, form a continuous, stable operational loop. This strict structure drastically reduces the blast radius of any bugs. If something fails, you have an exact, isolated historical snapshot of exactly why the agent made that specific choice. And that architectural map is the exact foundation you will need for our next lesson, where we start orchestrating massive, multi-transaction workflows. To dive deeper into AI agents on Solana and explore our full range of Web3-related topics, make sure to visit forge.college. Smart AI alone cannot guarantee a safe autonomous agent. True safety comes from designing a beautifully orchestrated architecture.